Welcome back in this lecture, and we can see we have got this gold and we need to have these particles, this disintegration particles, and we need to put it exactly the same way we have put it here, and here we can put, and you can see that if I have here, I don't have any problem kind of thing, but when I was in there I was having the problem because of we didn't have any kind of alpha channel. So that is why this problem was coming. But here we do have alpha channel, so there is no problem. Now, as well as you can see, we have something special in it. So what is that? If I go for here, you can see we have ambient occlusion also. All right, so now I'm going to show you that how we're going to get these things. How we are going to integrate these things. So now you can see this is A or V means top of each other. Simple. Now you can see this also, there is no holdout in here, as like that leg portion was outside of that debris. The same thing is happening in here, and it is not looking like this is inside of that particles, this Krishna, right? So how are we going to make this happen? Okay. So in that case, you have another, and this one is there. Copy this, Alt and C. Now you can see that we have this one. I have told you that this red is going to be for the gold, and this green is going to be for the this particle kind of thing. The particle is going to be emitting from this green area, right? So now what you need to do, that I need to get the green area, so the green zone I need. So this is a green zone. Okay, so when you have this green area or green zone, that means is what, that I need to mask this also. So if I come here, you can see if I put it right here, now it is not happening the way it should be, and you can see it is cut out totally. So how can you get it done? You have to invert it first. Now I have inverted it. Now you can see that we are having an integration right here. If you don't invert it, you can see this black area is going to be deleted. That means the gold is going to be visible. So exactly the same thing I'm doing here. You can see the gold is going to be visible in here. And here also the same thing, that it has to be, behind the debris. The same thing, what do you need to do? The same thing, press M key and come here and put it and change it to stencils. Now you can see that if I press D key, I can see it is inside of that debris. So D for you can disable or enable, or you can go for this node and you can click here disable. So you have got it, that how you're going to get rid of some area by using stencils, right?